डेटा एनालिस्ट इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर। हाय एवरीवन, आज हम बात करेंगे 2026 का सबसे ज्यादा डिमांडिंग रोल, डेटा एनालिस्ट। दोस्तों, आज के टाइम में डेटा ही नया ऑयल है और कंपनीज ऐसे लोगों को ढूंढ रही है जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को एक्शनेबल इंसाइट में बदल सके। लेकिन पता है प्रॉब्लम क्या है? डेटा एनालिस्ट का इंटरव्यू सिर्फ टेक्निकल नहीं होता, वो ये भी देखते हैं कि क्या आप बिजनेस की लैंग्वेज को समझते हो। मैं सागर जायसवाल आज इस वीडियो में 5 ऐसे क्वेश्चन और उनके प्रोफेशनल आंसर दूंगा जिसका यूज अगर आप अपने इंटरव्यू में करते हैं तो आपके सिलेक्शन के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टेल मी अबाउट योरसेल्फ। दोस्तों, ये वही सवाल है जहां पे 90% ऑफ कैंडिडेट गलत करते हैं। लोग अपनी फैमिलीज या हॉबीज के बारे में बताने लगते हैं। यहाँ आपको हमारा सिग्नेचर पेज स्ट्रक्चर का यूज करना है। आपकी स्किल, एक्सपीरियंस, अचीवमेंट और टारगेट के बारे में बताना है। आपको ये दिखाना है कि सिर्फ आप एक कोडर नहीं, एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर हो। What the interviewer is looking for. The first is technical breadth, knowledge of SQL, Python, Excel or Power BI. And second is business value. Can you translate data into money or efficiency? English answer with a page structure. P stand for professional skill. I am a detail-oriented professional with a strong technical foundation in data collection and cleaning. I am proficient in using tools like SQL for database management, Python for statistical analysis, and Power BI or Tableau for creating interactive dashboard. A stand for academic or professional experience. I have a proven experience in turning complex raw data set into a clear, actionable insight. I specialize in bridging the gap between technical data and a business strategy to drive evidence-based decision making. T stands for core achievement. In my most recent role, I led an analysis of supplier performance by identifying critical delivery delays and a bottleneck. I enabled the procurement team to renegotiate terms which directly improve our supply chain reliability by 15%. E for end target. My current target is to join an innovative organization like yours where I can apply my expertise to solve complex challenges. I'm eager to contribute to your company's growth and hit the ground running from day one. Question number 2. Why do you want to be an data analyst? और इंटरव्यूअर यहाँ देखना चाहता है कि क्या आपको सच में डेटा पसंद है या आप सिर्फ ट्रेंड को फॉलो कर रहे हो। इसका आंसर बहुत लॉजिक बेस्ड होना चाहिए। What the interviewer is looking for. The first is passion for logic, interest in problem solving and critical thinking. And second, impact, a desire to help the company grow through data. English answer for the interview. I want to be data analyst for 3 primary reasons. First, it is a role that perfectly utilizes my core strengths, which include analytical thinking, technical problem solving, and a deep interest in statistical modeling. I find a great deal of job satisfaction in taking raw, unstructured information and uncovering the hidden pattern within it. Second, it is a career that allows me to have a tangible, positive impact on an organization's success. Being able to provide evidence-based recommendations that lead to cost saving or revenue growth is highly rewarding. Finally, I am drawn to this field because it is constantly evolving with the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am looking for a career that consistently challenges my knowledge and require me to stay at the forefront of technological advancement. I am eager to apply my curious mindset to help your company navigate complex data challenges. Question number 3. What is your biggest weakness? दोस्तों, परफेक्शनलिस्ट बोलने का जमाना गया। डेटा एनालिस्ट के लिए सबसे बड़ी वीकनेस हो सकती है आइसोलेशन। आपको ये बताना है, पहले आप अकेले काम करते थे पर अब आप टीम वर्क सीख रहे हो। What the interviewer is looking for: self-awareness, identifying a real professional gap. Second is growth mindset, how you are actively fixing that gap. English answer for the interview: one area I have been actively working to improve as an data analyst is my level of collaboration. Early in my career, I often prefer to work independently because I felt it helped me to stay focused and maintain technical accuracy. However, through experience and professional feedback, I realized that data analysis is the most effective when it incorporates diverse perspectives from a different department. I have learned that engaging with stakeholders early in the process leads to better outcome and more relevant insight. Consequently, I now make a conscious effort to seek input from my colleagues and contribute more actively to team goals. I have started using collaborative tools and attending cross-functional meetings to ensure my analysis align with a broader business strategy. This shift in my approach has not only improved the quality of my result but has also made the overall project experience much more efficient and productive for everyone involved. Question number 4: Why do you want to work for us as a data analyst? यहाँ आपको कंपनी की तारीफ नहीं, उनके फ्यूचर के बारे में बात करनी है। आपको दिखाना है कि आपने उनके प्रोजेक्ट पे रिसर्च की है। What the interviewer is looking for: the first is research, knowledge of the company's reputation and goal, and second is longevity. Do you see a long-term career here? English answer for the interview: I want to work for your company because I believe it is essential for a data analyst to operate in an environment that is supportive and forward thinking. Based on my extensive research, your organization is consistently highlighted for its strong industry reputation and ambitious plan for future expansion. What specifically stood out to me was your focus on digital transformation and evidence-based innovation. I am particularly drawn to organizations that are evolving because it keeps the role dynamic and intellectually rewarding. I want to contribute to a company where my work has a real, measurable impact, and your company is exactly a place where I can build a long-term and a successful career. I am eager to bring my analytical expertise to a team that values data as a strategic asset and is committed to staying ahead of the market competition. Question number 5: Why should we hire you as a data analyst? ये आपका क्लोजिंग स्टेटमेंट है जहां आपको एक 30, 60, 90 डे प्लान का जिक्र करना है। ये इंटरव्यूअर को इम्प्रेस करने का सीक्रेट वेपन है। What the interviewer is looking for: the first is immediate value. How quickly can you start producing result? And second is confidence, a clear plan of action. English answer for the interview: You should hire me as a data analyst for your company for three distinct reasons. First, I have the technical proficiency and the professional maturity to integrate into your team quickly and contribute immediately. I'm a fast learner who will absorb your company culture and start adding value from the day one. Second, I consistently work to exceptionally high standard. I don't just deliver report, I deliver insight that led to a high return for this organization. Finally, I have developed a comprehensive 30, 60 and 90-day plan. In the first 30 days, I will focus on mastering your internal data system. By the day 60, I have identified a key areas for process optimization, and by the day 90, I will be delivering a strategic analysis that support your commercial goal. I am fully committed to your long-term success and am ready to help your organization reach its full potential through data-driven excellence. Conclusion: दोस्तों, ये थे डेटा एनालिस्ट के सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल। याद रखिए, आपके पास टेक्निकल स्किल होनी चाहिए, बट उस स्किल को एक्सप्लेन करने का तरीका ही आपका सिलेक्शन करवाएगा। मेरे पास और कोई ऐसे सवाल है, अगर इस वीडियो पे आप अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं तो मैं इस पे एक दूसरा पार्ट लाऊंगा। अगर आपको स्ट्रक्चर पसंद आया तो कमेंट करके बताएं। थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट।